Finding and cultivating hobbies and passions outside of work is essential for a balanced and fulfilling life. Here are some tips to help you discover and nurture new interests. Reflect on your interests. Start by reflecting on activities or subjects that have piqued your curiosity in the past. Consider what brings you joy, what you find intriguing, or what you've always wanted to try. Make a list of potential hobbies based on these reflections. Explore new activities. Be open to trying new things. Attend workshops, classes, or events related to your areas of interest. Start small. Begin with a few hobbies that align with your interests, schedule, and available resources. It's better to start small and gradually invest more time and effort as your passion grows. This prevents overwhelm and gives you the freedom to explore different activities. Embrace variety. Don't limit yourself to just one hobby or passion. Experiment with different activities to find out what resonates with you the most. Engaging in diverse hobbies allows you to explore different aspects of yourself and keeps things fresh and exciting. Set goals and milestones. Define clear goals for your hobbies, such as learning a particular skill or completing a project. Setting milestones helps you stay motivated and provides a sense of accomplishment as you make progress. Prioritizing your hobbies ensures that you make consistent progress and derive satisfaction from them. Find a community. Seek out communities, forums, or social groups centered around your hobbies. Connecting with others who share your interests not only provides support and encouragement but also offers opportunities for collaboration, knowledge sharing, and new friendships. Balance challenge and relaxation. Choose hobbies that strike a balance between challenge and relaxation. Some activities may push your limits and require focused effort, while others can provide a sense of calm and stress relief. Embrace continuous learning. Treat your hobbies as a learning journey. Stay curious and open-minded, seeking out new techniques, resources, and perspectives. Embrace the learning process and allow yourself to grow and evolve along with your hobbies. Be patient and enjoy the process. Cultivating hobbies takes time and effort. Don't expect immediate mastery or perfection. Instead, focus on enjoying the process, celebrating small wins, and embracing the joy that comes from engaging in activities you love. Remember, hobbies and passions outside of work are meant to enhance your well-being and bring you fulfillment. Be flexible, explore different avenues, and don't be afraid to adjust your hobbies as your interests evolve.